Hey friends, Zen Kuna here. For years and years now, like about a little over 15 years, I've been using a short power rope. I love the long power ropes, but because we don't have the rancho anymore, we have to travel to different places, the short power rope has really come in handy. Plus it's just a great variation on a theme. Also, it's going to cost you a little less because you don't need as much rope. This is an organic hemp rope, 2 inches in diameter, but anywhere from a 1.5 to 2-inch rope will do you. And I get them so they're between 10 and 11 feet long, somewhere in that range. Let's take a look at the great moves you can do with them. I'm going to show you just a few variations. You notice that at the end it's weighted. I wrapped it with several layers of heavy leather. That gives it a little bit better float and a little bit more challenge. So this is the going high and low, high and low. Now this is my longest rope, it's 12 feet. So it's a little bit more challenging. Now you can just do low. Or you can just do high. So that shows you 3 variations you can do with it. And I think you can see, really, you have to activate and be engaged here, all the way through your core. And by adding the additional weight at the end, so I did a couple layers of heavyweight leather and then wrapped it with some tape and added some more up here just to protect the rope when it hits the deck, and then some fist wrapping tape, like you're doing boxing. They also call it athletic tape. That's what I use for this end. So I'd recommend usually about 10 to 11 feet, 12 feet if you're a little taller or if you're a little stronger.